are 3, 2, 1, power pump. Here come our lady drivers finding their way down the backstretch after one. It's going to be Crystal Spleet, your leader. Heidi Ball right behind her. Here comes Courtney Hill looking to change that up. Time down at turn 2. Let's see, Courtney Hill hits the brakes. Heidi Ball pulls around and gets going. There's another crunch and munch. 86, Crystal Spleet hanging on to her lead, gonna find a little window to slide through. Heidi Ball still doing a great job out there. Number 19 playing a good game. There's Crystal Spleet in the pink with just a few laps to go. Here comes number 19 out of turn 2 with the blue Monte Carlo, sliding around, finding a good line. Whoa! Red flag, red flag, red flag! We got a hot one. Driver out, please. Please help the driver get out. Thank you very much. Just help the driver out, and I got our first responders will come over and take care of it. All right, good hustle, good hustle. Glad to see our friend get out. Look at the flagman, TNT flagman jumping on there, trying to help put that out. We got our fire department on scene as well. Oh, yeah. Friends, just stay clear. We need our friends to stay clear and just let our emergency personnel there. I think he's telling them, there. Watch for the green. There we go. Back to the race. Powder puff heat number 2 underway. Just coming off a spicy red flag. White flag, Crystal Spleet in the 86, taking the white flag. Driver's doing a great job getting around the track, and Crystal Spleet taking a win. Heidi Ball sliding around turn 2. Nice job by Heidi. And number 19 coming around to take the 3rd place spot.